Hello guys! Welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we're making New York cheesecake. To make the crust, you can use the graham crackers, which is a traditional way to do it. Otherwise, if you don't have graham crackers, you can use any sweet cookies. For example, we used Maria. Crack the crackers. Just smash them. This is your moment to show your passion for demolition. If you are not strong enough, you can use a blender. Add sugar, salt, and melted butter, and mix it all with hands. Cover the Springform pan with parchment paper. To keep the shape of the cake, put the parchment paper on the sides as well. Now it's time to dump the crackers mix into the cheesecake pan. Spread it evenly and press with a drinking glass all around. Put it into a freezer for a few minutes while you mix up the cheesecake batter. Now let's make the filling. Place Philadelphia cream cheese into a glass bowl. Add salt and sugar, cornstarch, vanilla, sour cream, two eggs, whisk well everything. Take the crust from the fridge and pour the filling on the top of the crust. Now it's time to make some noise. Tap the Springform pan to get rid of the air bubbles. Add 1 glass of water into Instant Pot. Place the steam rack inside the Instant Pot. Now put the cheesecake form on the steam rack. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program with high pressure settings and set time to 28 minutes. When it's done, wait for another 5 minutes. Open the pressure cooker using natural release. Take out the New York cheesecake and remove extra moisture with paper towel. Just blot it. Now let's make the topping. Combine sugar with whipping cream and whisk it. Spread it evenly. Refrigerate it for a few hours. For the best results, leave it in the fridge overnight. Look at this New York cheesecake. It is delicious, light, creamy and smooth. It will definitely melt in your mouth. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Check our website for more delicious and healthy Instant Pot recipes.